Welcome back to the channel. Time for another video on Charlie or Base Dog Charlie or Charlie Brown, Downtown Charlie Brown, unofficial dog of Base Chain, whatever you want to call him. Let's get right into the price chart. We're at about 300K market cap currently. Charlie has been around for almost a month, about three and a half weeks, and we are trading within a very narrow channel of around current levels on the bottom level of the channel, 300K, and about 600K on the top level. So it's been in this channel for a while. Proven it can't really, it's either going to go one way or the other. And with the market turning up and Base Chain expected to heat up, meme coins getting hot, sure doesn't look like it's going to go down out of this channel. So it's just a matter of when it's going to pump on the upside outside of the channel and by how much. Now we're going to get into some specific Charlie updates, some Base Chain updates in a second. But first, just some update on the overall crypto markets. Things are back up. Bitcoin, we're close to 92,000. On Sunday, we were at 91,000, close to current levels. Then we dumped to 85,000, you might recall, on that the Japan bonds spiking, and that somehow caused a bunch of leverage longs to be liquidated in crypto. God knows how that happened. Today, we spiked back up to 91,000. The dip has been completely eradicated. Partially, it was just the market, shook it off like it was nothing. And then also, Bank of America came out with some very bullish statements on crypto, saying they advise their clients to put out as much as 4% of their portfolio in crypto. And then the SEC also this morning came out with some bullish statements. They are rolling out an innovation exemption for crypto companies in January. So this combined to pump BTC 8%. Ethereum is up 10%. Solana is up 12%. This is what we are looking for, and it's only a matter of time before low caps follow suit as well. Let's check out the Charlie Twitter page, see what's up. We have a new video from Captain Adam Shelton. Aye, Captain. He's been doing regular coverage of this project. And with my video dropping now as well, it wouldn't surprise me if Rashawn Silva is another video in the next hour or two. Wouldn't surprise me if, I don't know, 2Bit Crypto as well. We shall see. Charlie is cooking. Get in or get left behind. A meme, he is on the frying pan. We have some more coverage from Base Deegan. He's been covering this project from the beginning. Another meme, Charlie will beat the Jeets. The market is heating up. He never stops pushing. Get in and buy that dip. Good morning. Charlie is feeling powerful today. Looking into his crystal ball and he sees gains. Charlie is holding strong. A breakout is imminent. So the memes are just top quality. Now let's talk about Base Chain specifically as a catalyst for Charlie, because as we know, when the whole chain heats up, low caps like this coin are going to pump as well. So what are some catalysts? Well, number one, we have that Base native token, which the Base developers have first mentioned in mid-September, around September 17th. That was 2.5 months ago. So it should drop at any time. They haven't 100% confirmed it, but they have like 80 to 90% said we are going to do it. That is going to provide tons of liquidity into the Base Chain ecosystem. And it's just going to make it easier to track Base Chain coins, because I'll go to the Base native token, see if it's up or down on the day, the way Solana is up or down or Ethereum's up or down. Then I know how my Base Chain memes like Charlie are going to be doing. There's also the Coinbase thing. So if you don't remember, a couple weeks ago, Coinbase changed their location to December 17th. And they never really gave any hints as to what it is. They are releasing some sort of product, then they revealed. It might have something to do with Base Chain, since they are an avid supporter and investor in that ecosystem. It might not. Some people are speculating that might be the day the Base Chain native token will launch. I don't know. We shall see. Now, what's another big catalyst? Brett token is pumping to wazoo today. They are up a massive 35%. As you can see, they got some massive green candles at about 11:30, about 11 a.m. this morning Eastern time. Who knows what that's all about? That's 194 million market cap currently. Looks like somebody just scooped in and bought the dip. They're like, okay, Brett at 160 million, that is just a crime. It can't be this low. We're going higher. I'm buying the dip. Somebody did that. Apparently, they have now defeated Toshi in terms of market cap. They have taken the lead. So obviously, again, when the large cap base memes are hot, that flows down to coins like Charlie as well. And then back to Coinbase, go to Brian Armstrong's page. He's the founder and CEO of the exchange. He just tweeted this morning, November was a big month at Coinbase. December is going to be even bigger. See you on December 17th. Could be something with Base Chain. We shall see. And speaking of Base, Toshi is also having a big green day, up 13%. This is the biggest coin, or the second biggest coin of Base Chain, now that Brett is the biggest. So those two coins are flying. That's going to set the entire trend for Charlie to have some up candles as well. And the bullish factor of all for Charlie is the exchange element. So they've already been listed on 4 centralized exchanges, 1 top 30. Most coins of this low market cap, under 1 million MC, they don't get listed on any exchanges because it costs a lot of money. You need to have the connections. It's a lot of work. And most importantly, those teams just don't plan on being there for a while. So like, why put the money into it if I'm just going to launch my next meme coin in a month or so? That's not Charlie. So I've mentioned 4 top exchanges. The top 31 is Biconomy, and the date hasn't been announced yet. It has been confirmed. The fee has been paid. The Biconomy team has made the announcement. So whenever this starts trading, the announcement's made, that is almost sure to pump Charlie. And keep in mind, if they're already listed on one big exchange like Biconomy, what's to stop them from listing from another to get listed on another one and another and another and on and on? The bottom line is this team is showing in every way possible they are here for the long run. And that is it for Charlie. So this coin has got the exchange factor. It has the influencers covering it, both new influencers and regular long-term influencers. It has the community. It has the base chain narrative, which is almost sure going to pick up in the next coming weeks and days. And today we're seeing base chain coins just pumping out of nowhere. So things are looking up for Charlie. You do your own due diligence yourself and never invest more than you can afford to lose. I will be back later with a new video. BenCrypto signing out. Catch you later.